Hey everyone, it's Trina. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today is using the rest of that puff pastry dough we made in a previous video. We made it from scratch. I'll list the link below. We started out by stir frying a chicken breast, but you can use 1 or 2 boneless chicken breasts. And then we buttered our favorite wok with 4 tablespoons of butter, added in some carrots, some onions, some celery, and a whole lot more goodies. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you are new here, please subscribe. Come eat. Here I'm just stir frying in, I think I added the flour, yes. And now I'm adding the 2 cups of milk. Just gonna stir that up real quick. I'm not gonna talk through the whole video. I'll come back a little later because since you can't smell this, I want you to hear it. So here I'm just flouring our rolling board or chopping board, and here is our dough. This was my first time making puff pastry dough from scratch, and it came out pretty good. And so I floured the rolling pin as well, and you can see I don't have a whole lot, so I'm rolling it out. We won't be able to do anything fancy with it other than lay it over the filling. But that's good. I'm telling you, the pie was delicious. Did not last long. No leftovers. Again, thank you guys for being here. Really appreciate it. And I will meet you back here for the next recipe.